Hello, GED students. First step, don't let me intimidate you. Let's take a look. So I see the quantity of 4 plus 2 times 6 divided by the quantity of 15 minus 7. Why am I saying the quantity? Notice how all of that information, 4 plus 2 times 6, is grouped up on top of the fraction. That's a grouping. And then same thing on the bottom. We see 15 minus 7 grouped on the bottom of a fraction. And we know that according to the order of operations, you start with groupings. And so that's what I'm going to do. I'm going to simplify the top separately, that expression up top, and the bottom separately. Okay, let's look at the top first, the numerator. When you look at this, you can see that I still have two operations, addition and multiplication. Even within a grouping, we follow the order of operations. So we know that according to the order of operations, first groupings, then exponents, then multiplication and its inverse division, and then finally addition and its inverse subtraction. And so I'm going to do the multiplication first. 2 times 6 is 12, and I haven't added with the 4 yet. So I get 4 plus 12 up the top, leave this fraction bar until after I finish dealing with my groupings. And then on the bottom, 15 minus 7 is 8. I have simplified the group on the bottom, but not the group on the top yet. Let me keep going. 4 plus 12 is 16. I get 16 divided by 8. And now, lovely, you're not really dealing with a fraction at all because 16 divides perfectly by 8. 16 divided by 8 is 2. Much simpler than it looked. All right, you guys, proud of you. Happy learning.